what I'm saying is that it is actually possible for you to assign many values to many variables on the same line, and this is called multiple assignments in Python programming language. And how can you do this? You can do this by writing all the variables on the left hand side of the assignment statement, separate them with comma, and write all the values on the right hand side of the assignment statement, separate them too with comma. Then it works like this. The first value on the right hand side will be assigned to the first variable on the left hand side. Okay, the second value on the right hand side will be assigned to the second variable on the left hand side. Okay, the third value on the right hand side will be assigned to the third variable on the left hand side, and so on and so on. So let's read this. The syntax: x and y are assigned to A and B respectively can be used to command multiple statements. Can be used to command multiple assignments in one statement, where A and B are the variables and x and y are the respective values assigned to them. So here, going by what I have just explained, x as a value will be assigned to A as a variable, y as a value will be assigned to B as a variable, because x is the first value on the right hand side, okay, and A is the first variable on the left hand side. So also y is the second variable on the right hand side, and B is the second variable on the left hand side. So it's very simple. Take it like this. First is assigned to first, second is assigned to second, third is assigned to third, and so on. Let's look at examples. Example 1, here we have Isan and 16. The string Isan and the numeric value 16 are assigned to name and age respectively. Okay, so Isan as a first value on the right hand side will be assigned to name as the first variable on the left hand side. So also 16 as the second value on the right hand side will be assigned to age as the second variable on the left hand side. Okay, so whenever name appears where a real value is expected, it refers to Isan. And whenever the variable age appears where a value is expected, it refers to 16. So go to line 2. Name is given as an input. Let's look at the output. The output is Isan. Okay, let's look at example 3. Age is given as an input. What is the output? 16. So guys, this is about multiple assignment statement in Python programming. Thank you.